Hi all, welcome to DB Tech. Today we will see Oracle startup and shutdown, how we can start up and shut down. And startup, we can do the no mount, mount and open. And shutdown, we have immediate, normal, transactional, abort and force. So first of all, we'll see how we can start up and shut down. So this is my putty server. So if you see cat/etc or a tab, this is my database. Whether my database is running or not, grep pmon. How to set the environment .or inv db tech. Log into the SQL prompt. Okay. Select name open mode from v $database. So now you can see that my database is db tech and currently it is in read write. So if you want to shut down, you can do shut immediate. So this is the normal shutdown, which will close and it will generate the checkpoint. It will write the checkpoint information in your data file header and control file, and it will smoothly shut down your database. There is no need of any recovery for the next startup. Okay, my database is shut down. If you do the select name and open mode from v $database, you can see that Oracle is not available. That means your database is down. You can do startup no mount. In startup nomount, only parameter file will get read, that is P file or SP file. I'll cover that P file and SP file in next video. And if you see select name open mode from v $database, you can see that your database is not mounted, that is no mount state. If you want to keep your database in mount state, you can do alter database mount. In this mount, it is going to read only the control file and the data file location information only. Only the location. It won't verify whether the data files are physically exist or not. It will only read the control file and contents in the control file. Now, if you see v $database open mode, we can see that my database is in mount state. If you want to open alter database open, in this situation, the database is completely open. Your data files also open, and normal users could able to connect to the database. Now, if you see your database is in read write state. Okay. Again, we have shutdowns also. Shutdown immediate. This is a normal shutdown and shutdown normal. This is also normal shutdown, like it is a complete clean shutdown, but the difference is that normal shutdown, if there are any users are connected to the database, it will wait for the transaction needs to be completed and they should have to exit from the database connection, then only it will get shut down. And shutdown transactional, if there are user is doing any transaction and that transaction is not completed, until and unless it won't shut down your database. Once the transaction completes, it will terminate all the user connections and it will shut down the database. And shut abort, this is like a killing the database abruptly. Like if you do the shut abort, next startup will require the instance recovery, which will done by the SMON process. Startup force is like a start, it is shut down, it will shut down your database and it will start up your database. It is just like a restarting of your database. So just we will see shut immediate. And most of the time in real time situations, we are going to use 90%, we are going to use the shut immediate only. If some rare cases, we are going to use shut abort if it is not done properly, or if the database is hung, if you still want to shut down your database abruptly and bring down your instance, yes, you can use shut abort. And very rare cases, you are going to use the startup force. These two, startup shutdown normal and shutdown transactional, we will we won't use that much in real-time environment. Okay, my database got shut down. And if you want to start up, yes, you can do startup. In startup, it is going to nomount, that is your P file and SP file is going to read, and then it will mount your database, that is your control file is going to read, and data files location is going to read. Only the location, not the physical existence. Then it will open your database, that is it will verify for whether the data files are physically exist or not. Then it will open your data files and normal users could able to connect to the database. And if you do shut abort, instance has been terminated immediately. If you do next startup, it required a instance recovery, which will done by the S1 process in a background. There is no need of any DBA intervention when you do shut abort and startup. S1 will automatically taken care of the instance recovery. And if you do startup force, it will shut down and start up your database normally. See, startup force. It has been shut down your instance and it has been started automatically and mounted and open. If you see, select name and open mode from $V database, as you could see that your database is in read write. Thank you.